Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. What follows is my personal experience using this product service. Nutrigenomix offers personalized nutrition reports based on your DNA. Their website, found at nutrigenomix.com, provides a wealth of information about their services. The process involves a simple DNA test, typically a cheek swab, which you then send back to their lab for analysis. Once your genetic information is processed, Nutrigenomix generates a comprehensive report detailing how your genes influence your response to various nutrients. This personalized report can then be used to create a tailored nutrition plan optimized for your individual genetic makeup. This approach to nutrition moves beyond generalized dietary advice and delves into the specifics of how your body processes different foods, allowing for a more targeted and potentially more effective approach to health and wellness. They analyze various genetic markers related to nutrient metabolism, including vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, and antioxidants. This information can be incredibly valuable in understanding your predisposition to certain nutritional deficiencies or sensitivities. For example, your report might reveal that you have a genetic variant that makes it harder for your body to absorb vitamin D. Armed with this knowledge, you can take proactive steps to ensure you're getting enough vitamin D through supplementation or dietary changes. Nutrigenomix also provides information on how your genes influence your response to different types of exercise and your predisposition to certain health conditions related to nutrition. This holistic approach empowers you to make informed decisions about your diet and lifestyle based on your unique genetic blueprint. Furthermore, the company emphasizes working with registered dietitians and healthcare professionals to interpret the reports and develop personalized plans. This ensures that the genetic information is used responsibly and effectively to achieve optimal health outcomes. The website also highlights the scientific rigor behind their testing and reporting, citing numerous research studies and collaborations with leading academic institutions. This focus on scientific validity lends credibility to their claims and reinforces the value of their personalized approach to nutrition. Whether you're looking to optimize your athletic performance, manage your weight, or simply improve your overall health, Nutrigenomix offers a compelling solution grounded in the science of nutrigenomics. They offer various testing panels tailored to specific health goals and interests. Visiting their website is an excellent starting point to learn more about the science of nutrigenomics and explore how personalized nutrition can benefit you. They often feature educational resources and blog posts that delve deeper into the fascinating world of genetic testing and personalized nutrition.